Thank you very much. It open. Oh, let's see. It has a little menu, I guess, with what is inside. A nice pack. The squid. I put it here. I think this is the cream sauce. Oh, looks good. The noodles or the pasta. Yes, the pasta. Okay, let's put amount here. And bread. It looks nice. We can work with this. Some onions and garlic. I think this is basil pasta, something, I don't know. Let's guess it. And something that I really don't know what is it, but looks yummy. And I think this is olive oil. And for the final touch, cheese. Okay, so let's see, it's getting warm now. Let's just wait a little bit more. Okay, so it says first. Okay, open up. Put the oil in. And then the onions and the garlic. All of it. It starts smelling good now. Oh my gosh. So since the squid takes a little bit more time to cook, and we put it a little bit just early, then it says put the pasta in. Now that we get the pasta like this, let's put the sauce. Look at this sauce. Ooh, oh, let's see what is it. It's like that, right? If the my God. Let's try again. Just to make it sure. Let's see if no. Give me a couple of minutes more, and it's gonna be great. Oh, it tastes really good. And I'm not a good pasta maker, but this one is like really easy to make, to get done. Now let's put it in the plate. This is something I really like to do, like plating things, because it feels like constructing something, and it's the part that you get more artistic like. Let's put it on the plate. Okay. Next step is to put the Gangneung. Seagrass. Seagrass, what was that? My Korean is not that good. It says seagrass. Let's put it right now. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so after, ooh, look at that. Cheese, I love cheese. Do you guys love cheese? Kind of see like that, all the Gangneung thing, the seaweed, the other thing, the squid also, and some kind of mountain kind of thing. Squid Gangneung pasta. So, look at what I made here. My mom is gonna be really proud of me. This one is like a little version of the Gangneung underwater with all the ingredients on it. You know, the squid and all the thing. And also the bread here that is black because it has the squid ink on it. So let's get started with this. you.